Are political posts that appear in your feed from accounts you don't follow bothering you? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily control political content and ensure your Instagram feed is exactly what you want to see. If you didn't know, Instagram allows you to adjust this content. Let's find out how. So, at the very beginning, first open the Instagram app and log into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in Instagram, the next thing you need to do is tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your profile page. When you're on your profile page, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen to open settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down and look for the suggested content option. When you find it, tap on it. In this section, you'll see several options. Look for the political content option and tap on it to open it. Once you're here, like I am, you'll see several options that allow you to control political content. To proceed, simply choose one of the available options. If you select See Less, this option will reduce the amount of political content that appears in your feed. If you select Standard, this option will return everything to the default settings, meaning political content will be displayed as it was before. And finally, if you want to see more political content, select the See More option. And that's it. After this, Instagram will adjust your feed and show more political content according to your preferences. If you want to change the settings again, you can always return to this option and adjust it to your needs. That's it. Simple, quick, and effective. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you very soon, and thank you so much for watching.